Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary in this additional. Yes, in the additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend, Saturday, July the 2nd, 2022. And I've already solved two puzzles. The 3 stars and the 4-star Sudokus. Two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars. And now it's the binary time, yes. Binary puzzle number 4791, yes. 4791. Alright. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes in O. Between two ones comes in O. Between two ones comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then let me see. We need to think. Between two O's comes in 1. Yeah, this is the last one. Alright. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row, in the first row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. I think we need to compare. Yeah. How about this column and that column? Empty box. 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. Empty box 1 1. We need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Well. We need to compare again. The last column and this column. Here we go. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Empty box 0 0. We need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be 1. If I don't switch the numbers, then we have identical columns. If I place a 1 here, this should be an O then. Then we have identical columns. Not allowed, one of the rules. Alright, between the 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. And now, yeah. Compare again. Well, let me see. 10. Yeah, we need to compare again. The last row and this one. Here we go. Empty box. 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. Oh, correction. This one. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O here. This should be a 1. Double O. Here 1. There 1. Double 1. Here no. There no. Finish in 5 minutes. All right. Great. Binary, and I like this one. Yes, a lot of comparing. But I've solved it again. So if you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later with the last puzzle of today, tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.